Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix critical error on WordPress website by changing PHP version in hosting in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see error. There has been a critical error on this website, so we are going to fix it. Now go to hosting. So we are in hosting and then you see PHP version. We are using 8.0.30, so we are going to change it. Now click on it. Sometime your plugin or theme not compatible with latest version of PHP, so you can update your plugin or theme to fix this issue. But in my scenario we are going to change PHP version. Now select 7.4.3 and then scroll down, click on OK. Now you see setting has been updated and then you see PHP version 7.4.33. Now go to website. Now refresh the page. So we have SSL issue, or you can click on advanced and then proceed to website. Now you see website is opening. Currently we not activating SSL certificate on our domain, so we will do this later. Now you see our website is working fine after changing PHP version, because our plugin or theme not compatible with PHP 8.0 version, so you can update your theme or plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.